I luckily chose the judge, Mr. Prince Brian de la Cruz, because you're my favorite judge.
So here's your question. How can we break the stigma surrounding mental health and encourage more people to seek help? Let me repeat. How can we break the stigma surrounding mental health and encourage more people to seek help?
Thank you so much. How can we break the stigma towards mental health? And the other question is? The second question? And how do we encourage?
Surrounding mental health and encourage more people to seek help.
Okay, thank you so much. Mental health awareness. I believe all of us has become fond of what mental health is important during the pandemic. The pandemic has taught us that it's not just the physical health that we should look out for. Rather, our mentality is much more important because it is inside our head. Sabi nga nila, ang matinding kalaban natin ay nasa isip din natin. Mahirap kalabanin ang hindi natin kayang makita pero nararamdaman natin. A lot of people are actually mocking people with mental health problems simply because they see that people who are having mental health issues are crazy. Marami sa kanila baliw. Kailangan ilagay na sa mental hospital when they do not know that in reality, a lot of us are actually not aware that most of us are having mental health problems. Why? First of all, let me give you an example. The LGBTIQ community. Do you know that a child who is a member of this community can already experience mental health problems? How? By the discrimination and exclusion from the society. Let us always remember that a child is very much fragile. Ang bata, mahina po ang puso niyan. Kaya kung may sinabi sa'yo, tatatak sa kanila yan at dadalhin nila sa kanilang pagtanda. That is one point. Another point is during the pandemic, a lot of us has become so paranoid. A lot of us has become so crazy because we are losing our hope. Imagine this, you're all by yourself inside your home just like myself. You know, I am not with my family during the pandemic because I have worked in a BPO company just to strive and to survive. And for me, it really does bother me a lot because imagine this, I am having a lot of problems in work, in medical, and especially in myself, and I have no one to talk about. Wala akong tao akong makausap during the pandemic, and it really made me struggle a lot. Third point, and this is very much important. A lot of us who are struggling with mental health awareness tend to commit suicide. Marami pong magpapakamatay at nagpapakamatay dahil sila po ay nagkakaroon na ng problema sa pag-iisip simply because of the life problems that occurs in their lives. It is very much aggravating to learn that mental health is being joked about and being mocked when in reality it should be taken seriously. Ladies and gentlemen, it is about time that we open our minds to this kind of problems. Ang sakit po, hindi lang yan nakikita sa balat. Hindi lang yan nakikita sa ating mga senses. Sense of sight, pagkabulag. Sense of the bodies, our bodies. Kapag na-handicap tayo, hindi lang po yun ang mga sakit. Our mental health is very much important. And how would I encourage everyone to be educated about this problem? It's very much simple. By using our social media. I am a beauty queen. I have a platform. I have an influence. So whatever I post online, makikinig ang mga tao. And because online or the computers or the laptops or the cell phones, it is the easiest access that we can actually determine what are the problems that are occurring in our society right now. So therefore, I should say na kapag meron po tayong mga kaibigan o mga kapatid, mga kamag-anak na nadidepress or nababaliw na, huwag po natin silang kamuwian at pagtawanan. Bagkustulungan po natin sila. There are mental health facilities that will help us, and I should say that it's about time na ating turuan ang ating mga sarili to use our emotional quotient because it is very much important. Yes, a lot of us has an IQ or intelligence quotient, but at the end of the day, ang pakikiramay, pakikiramdam ang pinaka-importante because that's what makes us human, the sense of them. Thank you so much.